Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you will be fine by the grace of Allah Almighty and safe from the coronavirus. Today we again continue our study through a learning study system. I hope all of you have completed the previous task very carefully and solved all worksheets, assignments and tests. Now let's start our second task of English subject, which is started from the 18th May 2021 to 31st May 2021. Now let's open your task and book in front of you and listen. Today we discuss very interesting lesson. Okay, here today we start unit number 3, Anansi and 5. It's a very interesting lesson. Here are the learning objective of our today lesson. To introduce the theme of the lesson. In this lesson, I tell you about the theme of our today lesson. After that, the next objective of our today lesson is to enhance vocabulary. The last one objective of our today lesson is to improve reading and comprehension skill. Before starting the lesson, here is about the story. There are lots of stories about Anansi. Anansi is an African folk tale character. He is also an important character of West African and Caribbean folklore. He often takes the shape of a spider and is considered to be the source of all stories. Here is the brief introduction of the whole story and the discussing and overview of the Anansi character. Okay, today we start reading page number 26. The theme of our today lesson is adventure and imagination. Now let's start the reading. Once upon a time, long ago, there lived a creature called Anansi. Sometime Anansi was a spider, sometime he was a man, and other time he was a strange mix of the two. Anansi was a trickster and he was having a difficult time. Here these are the starting line of our today's story. Here a character is discussed whose name was Anansi. Here how Anansi looks discussed here. Anansi was a spider, sometime he was a man and other time he was a strange mix of two. Here just like this here in this lesson, this was Anansi and this is a witch which is living near Anansi's neighbor. Here in this lesson, the face of Anansi looks like human being, but the rest part of his body looks like a spider. Here, Anansi is strange mix of two. Anansi was a trickster. Trickster means students clever, and he was having a difficult time. Anansi faced a very difficult time, facing very hardships and lot of problems in his life. He had no money to buy food for his family. As he walked around the village early one morning, he had a scowl. Scowl means students an angry expression on his face and a growl in his stomach. Growl means to say that roar. It's mean I think Anansi was very hungry and he wants to eat something. Passing by a neighbor's house, Anansi heard something that pleased him. Pleased means happy. The neighbor's was an old witch. Witch. This is witch. She was an angry and unpleasant witch who became furious whenever anyone said her name. She was very angry and she became much furious when anyone said her name because she hated her name. She hated her name all through her life, people had laughed or looking surprised when they heard what her name was. Can you guess what her name was? It was Five. It's very interesting and very surprising when you listen. The name of the witch was Five. Anansi peeked through a gap in the witch's fence. She was stirring her big cooking pot and muttering and mumbling a spell. Here, the witch is stirring a big cooking pot and muttering and mumbling a spell, and Anansi is peeked through the fence. It's a fence, and Anansi is looking very surprised. Now, it's time to solve the next page. Here are the words, synonym, and the sentences. The first word is trickster, and the synonym is mischievous. He is a trickster boy. Scowl, angry expression. Scowl shows your disagreement. The next word is sparks, glow. The stars spark at night. Here, question number 1. Make your own sentences of the following words. Here you try to make your own meaningful sentences in front of the word trickster, scowl, and spark. This is your home task. Students, you read out the above paragraph very carefully and try to answer this question. But now I will tell you the answer. Who was Anansi? Now come to the page. Who was Anansi? Anansi was a spider. Sometime he was a man, and other times he was a strange mix of the two. This is the answer of this question. Question number 2. What was the name of angry witch? Is too much easy. The name of angry witch was Five. The next question is, why did witch become furious? Why witch became furious? It's also too much easy, and you find out the answer. She was an angry and unpleasant witch who became furious whenever anyone said her name. From now, this answer started from now. She was an angry to till her name. Okay, this is our today lecture. I hope all of you understand very well and enjoyed a lot. Khuda Hafiz.